Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, then welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you guys can join the AWS Community Builder program in 2025. I've been in this program for 2 years and I'm super excited to share my experience and my knowledge with you through this video. But before we start our video, I would like to give you an important update that AWS is now accepting application for this program. So you guys can submit your application until January 20th, okay? Because 20th January is the last date to submit your application. I have also included the link of this application here. So, and I'll put this link in the description box as well. So make sure that you share this information with your friends and your colleagues so that they can get benefit from this opportunity. Okay. Now I have shared this news with you. Let's get started with our video. Okay. By the way, this is me. This is my first year. When I joined this program, I clicked this picture. So if you guys are new here and you don't know what the AWS Community Builder program is, basically this is a global initiative by AWS, Amazon Web Services, to support the passionate individuals who are sharing their knowledge with the community. Through this program, you will get access to exclusive content, mentorship, and networking opportunities. Okay, you guys can collaborate with different individuals like the AWS heroes, other AWS community builders. It's a very wide community. Okay, but make sure that you remember the core value of this program is to provide knowledge. Okay, share your knowledge with the community. Okay, it's a very basic overview I've given you. You guys can check out the official site to learn more about this program. Okay, moving on. What are the benefits you guys will receive when you join this community? So very first benefit is networking opportunity. Okay, you will get this platform access where you can meet different builders, AWS heroes, so you guys can collaborate on projects together and just share your knowledge. Okay, so community, it's a very strong community, by the way. And the best part is nobody will judge you. They will not judge your technical skills, your communication skills. Everyone just helping each other. Okay, so it's a great benefit that you will get networking opportunities. Second, you will receive the swag kit. Let's be honest, we all love swags. So you will get this exclusive AWS goodies to represent the community, like you have joined the community, okay? And I have also uh, attached this second year goodies. I have received this backpack and some stickers and this congratulation notes. So yeah, that was my second year goodie for this program. You will also receive a Cloud Academy subscription, like 1 year access to this platform. It's a very cool platform where you can watch courses and do some hands-on labs. Okay. Another benefit you will receive is the certification voucher, okay, to advance your skills. So now you are learning from the community, you are building projects, right? So it's time to test your knowledge. So you guys can give exam to advance your skills. Okay. AWS credits, like you will get 500 AWS credits to work on your personal projects. Okay, so you will receive this free 500 AWS credits when you join this program. Last but not the least, you will get exclusive access to program like private programs, like hackathons, and lots of competition actually running within the community. Okay, related to developing a tools or public speaking events. One of my favorite event was not event, the program was this new voices program. I had an amazing time learning about public speaking. Okay, it was a 4 week class, and the instructor were really amazing. I had participated in activities. I've learned a lot, by the way. So yeah, these are the benefits you will receive when you join the community. Okay, now you guys are wondering, Afshan, how we can join this community? Okay, what are the requirements? So it's a very simple process. You have to submit your application and you have to provide two important resources in your application. Okay, it could be your blog that you have created for the community, video course, like video playlist as well, or it could be your GitHub project. Okay, you have to include those links in the application. So two important resource links you have to provide, and make sure that your resource showcase your knowledge sharing contribution. Okay, your resource are presentable. Okay, if you are new in content creation and you don't know where to start, then this particular slide is for you, like the content ideas for builders. So these are my ideas that I'm recommending you, but you guys can change it. You guys can start off with simple tutorials, like the step-by-step video tutorials, like how you can launch an EC2 instance or how we can create S3 bucket. So you just document all this practical step in a form of video, okay? And you just publish it on your YouTube channel. Okay, you can, if you are an excellent writer, if you are good in writing, you guys can go ahead with blogging. Share your articles about AWS services, how your company is using AWS services in their company's infrastructure. You guys can share write-ups, notes related to AWS. In notes, you guys can also share your certification notes, like AWS solution architect notes, cloud practitioner notes, security certification, everything. So you guys can go ahead with blogs. If you are interested in hands-on learning, like the creating tools and contributing to open source projects, and if you are an active contributor in open source projects, you guys can definitely go ahead with this application. Just make sure that you provide the link to that resource, and you're good to go. Okay. And last, like if you're building tools or if you're building projects, showcase your project, like private projects, in a form of blog or in a form of video. Okay. If you are good in public speaking, like if you are giving presentation, if you are taking sessions, or if you're participating in conferences, you are giving talks in AWS community, then you can definitely join this program. Okay, because we love public speakers, we love developer in the community. So these are the content ideas I have for you. It's up to you which one you are going to use. Like if you are good in public speaking, give talks, presentation, attend conferences, and you guys can provide those links in your resource. Okay. And blogging, video tutorials. Okay, it's up to you which one you're gonna choose. And also you can go ahead with Instagram as well, like short content. Okay, you guys can use that as well. So these are the content ideas I have for you. Next, I have this four platform. You know, these four platform I have used to write my content. First is Medium. Medium is a very popular platform in cybersecurity. Like we use Medium to write our try hack me write-ups, hack the box write-ups. So Medium is very popular. I've personally used Medium as well. Dev.to. This particular platform is actually managed by AWS, and lots of AWS community builders and AWS heroes, they share their content on this platform. So it will be a great opportunity for you guys to connect with them. Okay. So start using Dev.to if you are a good writer. Gitbook, I have used Gitbook for my notes taking. You know, when I was preparing for AWS Cloud Practitioner, I use Gitbook for taking notes. Okay, great platform. Now I recently started using Notion because I'm solving lots of own labs, like AWS related labs and other cloud providers. So yeah, I'm currently using Notion for my note. So these are the writing platforms you guys can use to share your content. And if you guys have your own personal website, it's great. You can share that link, that whatever content you are posting about AWS, you can include that link in your application. Okay. So moving on. Yeah. What other content I have used in my AWS community builder journey? Okay. So these are the content that I have used in my first year. uh, I have used these two resources. First one is this Python beginner exercise playlist, and second one is this AWS hands-on tutorials. At that time, I was really new in the content creation, but these playlists are really basic but hands-on. Okay, you guys can check out. these videos and these playlists and get some ideas about your own content. Okay, both the playlists are available on my YouTube channel. Okay, so just watch it and just get some ideas from this. Okay, so these are the two resources I've used in my first year. In my second year, I used this playlist. At that time, I was working on this AWS Cloud Practitioner exam. So I created that playlist for that. Very basic stuff, uh, but practical. Okay. And I passed that exam and I directly jumped to the AWS security because at that time I was solving labs from own labs, AWS related AWS pen testing labs. Okay. So in this playlist, I've included 8 videos, like how to perform S3 enumeration, IAM enumeration, lots of other policy enumeration stuff I've included in that playlist. Also, in the second year, AWS also asks that what are the other contribution you have done in the community. So at that time, I had included all the links of my presentation that I gave in that year, like including all the links, my name and my pictures, all the links of those presentations. Also, I have included all the courses that I've created, okay, with in a collaboration with different organization about AWS security and digital forensic. So these are the resources that I have used in my second year. Okay. So yeah, to wrap up, it's a very great program where you can connect with brilliant minds and you can share your knowledge with them, and you can also learn from experts as well. So, but make sure you understand the important value of this program, that to share your knowledge with the people, okay? And you should enjoy that process, right? So if you're interested in this program, don't forget to submit your application by January 20th, 2025, because it's the last date to submit your application. And I've also shared some content ideas with you. So just start creating content and share it with your audience. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video and best of luck in your AWS journey. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.